In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create knowledge base articles in multiple languages in Hubspot. This process can greatly enhance your global customer support by making information easily accessible to users worldwide. First, let's navigate to HubSpot's homepage. You can do this by typing HubSpot into your browser's search bar and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a login button on the top right corner of the screen. It's crucial to ensure you are logged in to access all the features HubSpot offers, particularly when dealing with content management. After logging in, you'll land on HubSpot's home dashboard. From here, let's click on Settings, which you can find in the main navigation bar. The Settings section is where you can manage all the different elements of your HubSpot account, including your content and knowledge base articles. Next, within the Settings menu, you'll want to select Content. This section is key for managing your articles, blogs, and other written materials. It will take you to where you can administer your knowledge base, which is a vital tool for supporting your customers. Now, let's specifically head over to the knowledge base section. It's here that you can see all existing articles and, more importantly, manage their language settings. If your primary language for the content is set, you'll notice it listed here. Expand this section by clicking on the primary language, which in our example is Afrikaans, showing how you can add or edit multilingual variations. To support multilingual articles, click on Add Edit Multilanguage Variations. This feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to cater to a global audience by tailoring your content to different languages. It's worth noting that when you do this, it's not just a simple translation. You need to ensure that the content is culturally appropriate and accurately reflects the intended information in each language. This reduces misunderstandings and increases customer satisfaction significantly. Once you're in the multi-language settings, click Add Multi-Language Variation. This option enables you to select or input different languages, creating variations of your existing articles. These variations make it straightforward to manage and update content hassle-free. Remember to save any changes you make to keep your knowledge base current and reflective of your language capabilities. By maintaining a well-managed multilingual knowledge base, you're not only improving user experience, but also significantly widening your outreach and support capabilities globally. And there you have it, the simple yet effective way to create and manage multilingual knowledge base articles within HubSpot. Integrating this into your regular content maintenance could make a substantial difference to your customer engagement worldwide. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tips on managing your business tools effectively.